What's up everyone? Welcome back. Today we're doing the first official off-road video, and unfortunately really pissed off because here in Texas it's getting dark way too freaking early. It's what, 5:30 o'clock? Something like that. 5:30 o'clock. And as you can clearly see, the sun's almost gone. It's like you guys, I'm out. So basically we have been spending the last 48 hours getting this thing fixed. Here's a quick clip from that. We are fixing the Dune buggy. The master for the clutch actually started leaking really bad to the point where we couldn't even disengage the clutch from the transmission. So as you can see, old master and new master. So guys, since this is a Dune buggy, it is a custom made Dune buggy. We're pretty sure some company made it. It is very hard to find parts for this thing. Yes. So the closest thing we could find that matched up to this master was a 1985 Volkswagen Quantum station wagon. So basically, after a lot of researching, we went on rockauto.com and we got this one right here for about $77 shipped to our door. Now, if you look closely, they are slightly different. While they have the same uniform body, the old one, as you can see, has a much shorter throw, whatever that is, shaft.
I was calling it a shaft.
I'll call it a shaft. And the other problem, which isn't that big of a deal, the width between the two studs. As you can see, original, much wider than the new one, which is a lot narrower. So, but luckily we're coming up with solutions to both of those. So let's get right to it.
We are actually going to cut this piece off, the shaft, right off of the grinder, and then we're going to cut it right about here, right where that line meets, right there, and then we're going to re-weld it together so that this shaft can be shorter, just like this one is. So that's the plan, what we're going to do. But first, I'm going to cut that, and then second, we're going to see if I can actually weld on this.
Let's find out.
And yes, use safety glasses. And I just thought of this, we don't have a welding hood.
So it looks like you're closing your eyes. Guys, don't do this at home. On this episode of Will It Weld.
I really thought about that, I'm like, we got the welder, we got welding gloves, we don't have a hood.
You freaking dweeb. Oh, that's not Joe, that's a Justin. What's up, Justin?
Justin, you're in time.
What's up, dude? You got a toy?
I got a toy today.
Good to see you, guy.
Good
What's
to
up,
see
man?
you. Hello, YouTube. Hello.
Oh yeah, he just started a new channel. Link in description. Check him out.
What's up, buddy?
Did you get any deers on the way?
I did not.
Oh, okay, that's good.
Off camera though.
Off
I
camera?
did bring you guys something.
What is it?
What'd you?
Oh, it's gonna be lit.
Yes, this looks delicious.
It's magical, dude. You need some like pineapple.
Can we put it in the
juice,
Miata?
I mean, I know the Miata's a alcoholic, but God, y'all see what the turbo that I'm putting in this?
Big ass turbo.
It's huge. It's 62 millimeter turbo. There's a 35 on this right now.
Is this still under warranty?
For about 700 more miles.
Okay, so we just got the buggy fixed. The clutch works great. We only have two problems right now. We need to bleed the brakes even more. And the clutch reservoir, since we lost the cap to it, it's leaking very, very bad. So we gotta figure out a way to jerry-rig that. So bleed the brakes, fix the reservoir, time to go off-road.
So as you can see, the reservoir here is literally capped off with duct tape and zip ties because that fixes everything.
Hold. Hold. Hold.
What are you doing, Zach?
Okay, these are good. Oh, there was some air.
So much better.
There was some air there.
So what's your prediction?
I say just send it.
Okay, it's fixed somewhat. Brakes work a lot better. Clutch is good. Time to go rip it. Let's go. All right, guys. So the clutch is fixed. The brakes kind of work. Yeah. Anyways, we have a little loop we run, and we're gonna show you guys this loop, and we're gonna see how fast we can do it. I'm gonna drive doing that.
I'm gonna win.
So
No trees.
I'm not driving.
I know, I'm just messing with you.
also, guys, quick shout out to our sponsors. You guys too can be a sponsor and get your name shouted out in a video. All you have to do is click the join button on the channel below. If you're on desktop, I don't think YouTube's smart enough to figure out how to put it on the phone yet. So we'll get to that eventually. Y'all ready?
Yeah, let's get it!
Quack!
What?
I taste dirt.
You taste dirt?
I tasted dirt.
Whose fault is that?
Gabe's, technically.
Alright, that is it for the day. Obviously, it's getting very dark out here. Cameras aren't really doing that well because it's getting dark.
It's getting colder.
It's very, very cold.
I'm gonna be sick tonight.
Even though it's only 40 degrees, we live in Texas, so it's cold.
60 degrees is cold.
I'm from
Yes.
Arizona, so anytime it gets below 65, my nuts climb back.
Okay. PG-13, come on now.
So we want to thank you guys for watching, but we will be doing another one here very shortly with the Jeep, more than likely. So also guys, these two gentlemen right here, Justin and Jay, have been doing a behind the scenes video, both from their respective, each from their own perspective. So check out their videos, link will be in the description below. And with that said,
Drop a like if you like this video.
Yeah.
Comment what you want to see next. And comment whatever you want to say because we read most, like 95% of all the comments. So
You can't talk at all today.
Nope.
No, we really
can't
can't.
speak English.
But anyways,
it's been a long day, okay?
thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.
We are out here in the middle of nowhere hooning their off-road buggy, which should be rolling around any minute now. Come on, Gabe, you pansy. Now, he probably broke something because we've been out here waiting for him for like 15 minutes. Come on, give it the beans. Oh, shit. No, not good, not good, not good. Today I'm out here with the novice guys. We're hooning their off-road buggy, and man, it's gonna be crazy.
Then chop that, and then weld it. But first, before
See what we're gonna do here? We're gonna chop this, chop that. Now we're gonna weld this right there. Do it for Dale. Do it for Dale. Do it for Dale.
What's going on right now? What is happening?
you took shotgun.
Back issues.